Hello everybody, my name is Maximilian and welcome back to another video. This time we are unboxing another package from Cnfans, so let's just get started. I unboxed one package like 2 weeks ago and it was 7 kilograms. This time we're looking at around 6 kilograms ish. Let's weigh the package now, let's see how many kilograms it really is. And yes, this time here we have the 6.6 kilograms, so quite a big of package once again, pretty much similar. The cost of the package is $135, so yeah, pretty affordable. As you can see on Cnfans, they do have a lot of affordable shippings. This one was shipped with the DHL like always, and it took around 2 weeks to arrive. So just like this, guys, as you can see, it's quite tightly packed. There's not a lot of room in the package. Let's begin with the first item, the Birkenstock. Let's see how they look like and what's the actual quality of the shoes. So here we have it, guys, the 39 size European Birkenstock Boston, and here, as you can see on the picture, you've got also loads of different options and different models as well here. This one was quite affordable, really, like it wasn't very expensive. And yeah, here we have the shoes, so just take a look at them. Let's see how they all look like. Here they are, guys, the Birkenstock Boston. As you can see, you've got a label on Birkenstock Gemeinsam Gesellschaft, where you've got the sole in German, the origin of Birkenstock. You've got all the materials here, and yeah, let's take a look at the quality. So as you can see, it's just a straight leather, it's not like fake leather or anything. The sole is just amazing, I love how it all looks like. In touch is very soft, very nice. Premium materials, I don't have any issues whatsoever, just top of the top. You also have the Birkenstock emblem. Yeah, the whole shoe is just amazing, I really like this. We've got this pattern sole, it's just looking great. And the sole itself is also very soft, so you've got this amortization. The other pair is also the same like the left shoe, very nice materials, high quality materials, definitely recommend it. In here we also have this pouch for the shoes not to get destroyed. Here we have this paper, and yeah, we also have this humidifier anti-mold packet. The shoes look amazing. If you are in the market for Birkenstock, I highly recommend you guys checking them out. You have the link down in the description. Continuing, guys, here we have the New Balance. Yeah, the box is in a good shape. And yeah, this is the men's 42 European size, US 8.5. Let's see how the shoes look like, and oh, here we go, guys. Very nice, very beautiful shoes. The New Balance. As you can see, this model is quite interesting. I love the design, it's definitely unusual. A lot of New Balance fans are looking for these models for sure. This is, I believe, the 9060 model, something like this. Yes, exactly, the 9060 model from New Balance. Very beautiful one, old school one. In the inner part here we also have the sizing with the QR code. It says 8.5 US, made for something, for us, made for us. As you can see, it says made for us. And yeah, it's all cotton. As you can see, the laces are cotton. This is the leather, this weight. It changes the direction when I just move my finger through it. The net is nice, the mesh, everything looks good. This is also some interesting materials here. And yeah, the sole is definitely interesting. It's very big, very nice. I wonder how comfortable these shoes are, because they look very comfortable because of the sole. And the insoles look like this. You've got this JFG insole here, so they look interesting. The left pair looks like this, it's all consistent, you've got the same design, JFG, and yeah, it's this inside voices. Very nice shoes. You've got this absorbed sole here, as you can see. I really want to try them on. They look very nice, very sturdy and comfortable. So yeah, definitely recommend you guys checking them out. You also have the link in the description as well. Okay, guys, and continuing, here we also have the Birkenstock. This one in the smaller 37 European 37 size. Let's just take a look at them as well. These are also the Birkenstock Bostons. in this type of a color, as you can see. Very nice, very beautiful. I love how they all look like. And again you have the same, design with the same quality materials. Everything is okay, everything is nice, very high quality materials. I don't see any defects or whatever. Everything looks like it should. You've got this envelope, Birkenstock, and yeah, here you also have this clipper with the Birkenstock logo on top here, so that's just great. On this button here, it's metal, cold in the touch, so nice. And yeah, this all looks like this. Amazing pair of shoes. The right one looks like this, same design, same everything, same materials. The consistency is there, definitely. We've got this clipper here. Yeah, great shoes. Definitely recommend it. Next up on the list here, 10 pairs of Sony Angels. Yeah, I wanted to purchase them, so I did. These were like $10 in total, so it goes for like $1 a piece, basically. And yeah, let's just see how they all look like. Just see how they all look like. And the first one here is the bunny headed type of a Sony Angel. It looks like this. I really like how it all looks like. It's very cute. This is the type of the Sony Angels that sticks to an item, so you've got this adhesive tape that you can use and stick to an item, so it's just, yeah, quite interesting. Actually, let's open this thing and let's see how it all sticks to an item. Guys, the iPhone 14 Pro, and let's maybe try to mount this. Let's see if it works. Okay. Let me try this thing out. Here we have it, guys, the Sony Angel poking above the iPhone's display. Yeah, it's quite interesting. Honestly, it's quite hard. I mean, adhesive is quite hard and definitely sticks to an iPhone, so you shouldn't have any problems with it just being moved around or anything. So yeah, it sticks. This is how my collection looks like, guys. Yeah, a lot of Sony Angel dolls for a total of $10. Okay guys, and now let's continue with the items. No more Sony Angels, Here is an interesting item from my car, as you can see. Yeah. I have purchased this shark, which you can put on a car or whatever. Yeah, basically looks like this. You've got like all those wires here where you can connect your radio and all the other items, so that's just great. And it all is connected via this 3M tape, so it should just stay in a place as it should be. And this thing was like $5 only, so yeah, very nice. Okay, and here we also have two more items, actually more than two more items. Cnfans was running a sale on items recently for points, and I purchased this thing for a total of like $5 or even like $2 or $3, something like this. I purchased this black hoodie, so yeah, this is how it all looks like. Black no-name hoodie. Yeah, very cheap. It's all cotton, very nice hoodie. I like it, it was not bad. Very cheap actually, so I purchased this thing. And inside here you also have the nice material, so as for the price, you can't go wrong with that. Yeah, the materials are nice. If you want to have a good looking and actually good material, a hoodie for literally almost nothing, so just simply purchase this item. You won't regret it. This one is from the company called Artimaster. So yeah, Artimaster. Yeah, I like this hoodie, very nice. $2-3. It's just an amazing purchase. Here I am just wearing this thing right now. You can see it fits very nice. Last two items. Yeah. Here we have the AirPods Max from Elf Merchant. I have reviewed them recently on my second channel, Saturnax. You can just check them out. They're very high quality, and it's like my 5th purchase of these headphones from this company, Elf Merchant, because they're just amazing. I literally just bought them for my whole family. Yeah, this is how they all look like. Here I've got like 2 pairs. Yeah, you can see the unboxing video and review of me just testing these headphones on YouTube on my other channel. Highly recommend you guys checking this thing out.